Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you something about chocolate stain removal. First, if you have a stain, maybe it's chocolate sauce, maybe melted chocolate. My son, it's always chocolate ice cream with him, always. And it stains everything. Chocolate milk, it's so bad. First, you want to try to remove the excess chocolate if it's not dried yet with a paper towel. And next, here, let's set that out of the way. Next, you want to soak up the excess grease that's in the chocolate. So use a powder, like baby powder, cornstarch will work, and work it into the stain with the toothbrush, and the powder will start to ball up. You can kind of see it working. And repeat this process until you think all of the oil has been soaked up. After you've done that, you want to pre-treat your fabric and get it ready for the washing machine. You can do that by, well, first, obviously, you want to get the excess powder off. Just dump it in the sink. Spray the area with a commercial laundry stain remover, or you can use rubbing alcohol. It's an excellent stain remover. You can just blot it, and it works great. It works great for anything, really. Ink. I mean, rubbing alcohol is almost the best thing you can use for stains. Work it into the material really well, and then wash the fabric as usual. It should take the chocolate stains right out, especially if the stains are fresh. The longer they've been sitting, the more difficult it is to get them out, but chocolate's really not that bad as far as, creating stains on your fabrics. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove chocolate from clothing.